Okay, so here's your question. So the first thing you'd have to do is basically calculate the z-value. I'll try to scan that in and give that to you, but basically if you use the equation on the bottom of page 487, once you get your z-value, which should be about 3.162, just going over to StatCrunch here, basically you just want to put the 3.612 in here, so you can just leave the mean and the standard deviation as 1. And then just make sure that your arrow is going in the same direction essentially as the arrow in the problem. So since your arrow is going to the right here, and then again you can look up this z-value in a table, but since you asked about StatCrunch here, so basically this is where you put your z-score, and this will give you the corresponding areas. So remember the probability that z, or they're calling it x, but in this case z is greater than this number is equal to this probability, which corresponds to the area under the curve. So you're basically saying that if you're 3.162 standard deviations from the norm, so here's 1, 2, 3, 1/6 standard deviations from the norm, the area underneath the curve over on this end is going to be really small, right? It's going to be, and if you round that up to the correct number of decimal places, I think you'll see that that should give you the answer, right? It should give you 0.0001, which if you look back, I believe is the answer that you're supposed to get for that. So hope that helps. If not, let me know.